Today, we're talking about emotional regulation, and this is one of the most overlooked skills when it comes to personal growth, confidence, leadership, and long term success. Most people believe their emotions control them, when in reality, emotions are signals, not commands. If you don't learn how to regulate your emotional state, you will always be at the mercy of external circumstances. One bad moment, one comment, one delay, one unexpected challenge can knock you off track for days, weeks, or even years. High performers are not emotionally numb, they're emotionally skilled. They feel deeply, but they don't let emotions hijack their identity, their decisions, or their future. Emotional regulation is the ability to experience emotion without being ruled by it. It's the ability to pause instead of react, to choose instead of spiral, to stay grounded even when life feels intense. Most emotional relations come from the subconscious, not logic. They're conditioned responses built through repetition, memory, and identity. When something triggers you, it's not the event itself, it's the meaning your nervous system has learned to attach to it. This is why two people can experience the same situation and respond completely differently. One collapses emotionally, the other stays centered. The difference isn't strength, it's regulation. Emotional mastery begins with awareness. You must notice what you're feeling without judgment. The moment you label an emotion, you create space between you and it. You are no longer the emotion, you are the observer of it. That space is power. Regulation also requires permission. Many people suppress emotions because they think feeling them is weakness. Suppression creates pressure. Pressure eventually explodes. Regulation allows emotion to move through the body without controlling the behavior. When you allow emotion without feeding it stories, it naturally resolves. Another key element is identity. If your identity is fragile, emotions feel threatening. If your identity is grounded, emotions become information. You stop asking, why is this happening to me? And start asking, what is this teaching me? High performers regulate emotion through breath, posture, focus, and meaning. A slow breath signals safety to the nervous system. An upright posture reinforces confidence. Focus directs energy. Meaning reframes experience. You always have leverage, even in emotional moments. Emotional regulation isn't about never feeling overwhelmed. It's about recovering faster. It's about shortening the emotional hangover. Instead of being stuck in a mood for hours or days, you learn to reset in minutes. That ability compounds over time. Regulated emotions lead to clearer thinking. Clear thinking leads to better decisions. Better decisions lead to better results. This is how emotional mastery directly impacts success. Today, your work is not to control emotions, but to relate to them differently. You are not broken because you feel deeply. You are powerful when you learn to guide that depth. Emotional regulation is not something you're born with, it's something you train. And every time you choose awareness over reaction, you reinforce the identity of someone who leads themselves instead of being led by circumstance.